Hello, welcome to my new series, which is just impressions and opinions on Holy Stone drones. I could give them the full review, which is basically what this is going to be. I decided to start with the Holy Stone HS 900, a sub 249 gram drone. It has 8K pictures, takes great video, good options in the app, HS Sirius app, although it took me a while to get used to it because I was used to HS Fly. There's good time lapse, and there's also good photos. The photos here, as you can see, here's one of Mount Rainier. They're very crisp, and I wish this video would do it justice, but this video is just at 1980 or what 1280, whatever p, 1980p, 1920 by 1080. So it's not that detailed, but those are 8K pictures that I'm converting in here, and it also has a 20,000 foot distance rating, which of course never truly happens, especially in overly wooded areas like mine. I still had this sucker up to about a mile and a half away at one point, and I got scared and brought it back. But also, I was going towards a no-fly zone, and I was like, I got to get back. The drone flies well. It's very nimble, very fast. Three speed modes of stable, normal, and sport. You can also assign a custom button, and that is pretty different from the other drones. You like with mine, it's the same as always when it comes to fault. One tap makes the camera go down or up, and two taps goes to cruise control. And then of course I have the little joystick on the controller, which can control left and right, can control your exposure, but up and down will adjust my cruise control speeds. Overall, this is my favorite Holy Stone drone. I love the time lapse feature, as you'll be seeing here, and I just can't get enough of the drone. It has a roughly 26-minute battery life, not the 30 or so they claim. And there are some flaws. Sometimes the wind gets it a little hard, but then again, the wind is very, very. It resists the wind very well for its size because it is tiny, very quiet drone. Overall, if you could find a good discount, I would get this because I would give this a 4 out of 5, almost 4.5 out of 5. Thank you for watching. I'm going to do the 790 next.